Installation. Installation of handpieces. Hang the two handpieces to the holder. Connect handpiece B to the connector B. Connect handpiece A to the connector A. Water emitting. Open vent. Connect the water pipe to the infusion water. Inject the prepared pure water or distilled water to the machine. Observe water viewing window. When water reaches the water viewing window of 80% to 90%, stop filling water, disconnect the water pipe. Connect vent. Plug the power line. Turn on power switch. Press the power switch on the back of machine, calibrate the screen position. Debugging. Release the red emergency button, and turn on the machine with the key. Press down red emergency button if need stopped machine immediately. Before operating, please let machine run for 1 or 2 minutes. Click the screen to step in handpiece chosen interface. Click SSR handpiece. There are Super/IPL/LI3 modes. Choose Super mode, and our skin type interface. Totally 5 treatment programs: hyperpigmentation, pigmentation, skin tighten, wrinkle removal, large pores interface. Choose treatment, adjust parameter.
Enter Super mode, adjust parameter. Adjust power. Frequency adjust range from 1 to 10 Hz. Pulse range 1 to 15 millisecond. Timer range 1 to 30 second. Enter IPL mode, adjust parameter. Adjust power. Pulse adjust range 1 to 6. Pulse range 2 to 15 millisecond. Timer range 5 to 15 millisecond. Shot frequency range 1000 to 3000 millisecond. Enter add light interface. Adjust parameter. Adjust power. Pulse adjust range 1 to 6. Pulse range 2 to 15 millisecond. Pulse duration range 5 to 15 millisecond. Shot frequency range 1000 to 3000 millisecond. RF power range 0 to 100 watt.
Treatment process. Clean treatment area. Apply cooling gel to the treatment area. You can adjust the parameters during treatment according to customer feelings. Click Shore to enter hair removal interface. Super. IPL. Elite mode for chose. Super recommend slide operation. IPL recommend press operation. Elite recommend press operation.
Enter Super mode, adjust parameter. Adjust power. Frequency adjust range from 1 to 10 Hz. Pulse range 1 to 15 millisecond. Timer range 1 to 30 second. Enter IPL mode, adjust parameter. Adjust power. Pulse adjust range 1 to 6. Pulse range 2 to 15 millisecond. Timer range 5 to 15 millisecond. Shot frequency range 1000 to 3000 millisecond. Enter at light interface. Adjust parameter. Adjust power. Pulse adjust range 1 to 6. Pulse range 2 to 15 millisecond. Pulse duration range 5 to 15 millisecond. Shot frequency range 1000 to 3000 millisecond. RF power range 0 to 100 watt.
Treatment process. Shave the unwanted hair. Clean treatment area. Apply cooling gel to the treatment area. You can adjust the parameters during treatment according to customer feelings. Something attention. Cooling gel is needed for all programs treatment. Facial parts need about 20 ml to 30 ml for each single treatment. The thickness of gel on other body parts should be 1 mm to 2 mm. More gel needed on some special sensitive parts as cheekbone, forehead, and front part of shank, while the energy should be lower 1-2 joule. The surface cooling system should be turned down or off when you stop the treatment, or the crystal on handle will freeze and get ice. Any hairs on crystal should be cleaned, or there is risk to burn skin. It is necessary to keep the gel on skin more time for some thin cuticle patients to avoid burning. During treatment of freckle and vascular, the result will be better if cool skin 3 minutes with the cooling tip firstly and treat with high energy.